Namaskar. Natwari Tukra. Tukras that are based on the bowls that were inspired by the Natwar or Krishna. Baby Krishna, as the story goes, baby Krishna was once playing ball around the banks of the river Yamuna. The ball falls into the waters. He goes to get it. There was a war between him, a battle was fought between him and the serpent king. Obviously, Krishna wins the battle, and when he emerges from the waters, he is actually dancing on the hood of the serpent. That is what the mythology or the story says. Now, dancers inspired by this story made a segment of tukras, which they then labeled it under the Natwari bowls. These bowls were bowls similar to Digdha Digdig. Many such tukras were made with these bowls that were inspired on this story, from this story, and together they form a huge segment of our dance, which is called Natwari Nritya. Let's explore one of the Natwari tukras. Tigdha na dhin dhinna na dhin dhinna na tin tinna tad. Tigdha tigdha the klandha katadha klandha katadha klandha. Tadha tigdha tigdha the klandha katadha klandha katadha klandha. Tadha tigdha tigdha the klandha katadha klandha katadha klandha. Tadha. Now the pause between each of the klandhas is 5. Let's say this again with the tali and the khali. Na dhin dhinna na dhin dhinna na tin tinna tad. Tigdha tigdha the klandha katadha klandha katadha klandha 1 2 3 4 5 tadha. Tigdha tigdha the. Once again 1 2 3 4. Tigdha tigdha the klandha katadha klandha katadha klandha 1 2 3 4 5 tadha. Tigdha tigdha the klandha katadha klandha katadha klandha 1 2 3 4 5 tadha. Tigdha tigdha the klandha katadha klandha katadha klandha 1 2 3 4 5 tadha. So 1 2 3 4 5 is the pause where we use this movement to cover the pause. Just the jal pheri, a circular movement of the wrist. 1 2 3 4 5 tadha is the movement.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you don't want to miss any of the videos we upload here, why not subscribe to the channel? Also, please do send us your feedback. It'll help us improve our program. Let's share. Happy dancing!